Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How you all are doing? I'm really excited for today's video. I'm gonna show you how to keep your makeup on a little bit longer while wearing a face mask. It's a hard time for a lot of us, and I want to dedicate this video to all the healthcare workers who are on the front lines fighting this fight for us to be okay. And I know I'm not an essential worker. I'm not out there fighting this virus. I just want to do my part and teach you guys how to keep your makeup a little bit longer if wearing makeup at work. This video is not just for the healthcare workers, it's for all essential workers, people that are working at the grocery stores, people that are working at pharmacies. Everyone who's working right now, we appreciate you. We all know wearing a mask before stepping out is mandatory. So here I'll be showing you guys how to keep your makeup on a little bit longer when wearing a mask. So without further ado, let's get into the video. When you're looking at one's face, you automatically going towards the center of the face. That's just human nature. And this area, the bottom part of my face, is going to be covered with a face mask and is not going to show as much. I have nothing on my skin right now except some eye cream and toner. I'm going to be using a really nice and thick moisturizer that's really hydrating as a base so that my face doesn't crack and crumble. Because I'm going to be using a lot of powders, other products and setting my face so that my makeup lasts longer. After applying moisturizer, we are going to apply translucent powder to set the moisturizer so that it stays in place for longer. We will set this base very lightly with any translucent powder. I am going to be using this LA Girl Pro powder, but any translucent powder works absolutely fine. This will keep the moisturizer in and not let it mix with primers and foundations. This will act like a nice helpful barrier. I am going to be using a setting spray. This will solidify and lock in the moisturizer and powder underneath first. There are tons of different setting sprays out there, but I am going to be using today this NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish. It looks like this. A few pumps will be enough. Just let it dry. Now I'll go with my primer. I make sure I use primer always because it makes my foundation last way longer. Primers are generally very sticky. So what I'm gonna do is I'll apply it to the areas where I feel it's most required. Like my cheeks. Because I have pimple scars over there. If you can see. I know a lot of you out there would want to go with a more natural foundation, a little bit sheer coverage and very light foundation, but that's not gonna be long lasting when it comes to a mask. You are not setting your face and you're wearing a mask. The product will get picked up by the mask because it's just fabric. It will literally lift off because the mask is dry. It will literally peel off. So what I suggest is using a longer lasting foundation. So we have to take a pump of this. We have to focus on the high points of our face because the bottom part will be hidden with a face mask. Now the face is looking a lot more refreshed, and obviously those steps underneath like using a moisturizer, setting spray and powder, these are all great for making your foundation last way longer. I promise you this will make a huge difference because of all the steps that we have followed. Now I'll put some concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, and a little bit on the forehead as well. We can set our face however way we want. I personally like using powders to set my face. What I'm gonna do now is I'll take this powder and this sponge and will apply it under my eyes and at the bridge of my nose. Now we will leave it on for 5 minutes and nobody's got time to waste and the clock is ticking. Till then I'll apply whatever I want to apply, bronzer, blush, highlight. So now I have bronzer, blush and highlight on. I'll take a fluffy brush and will use it to dust the excess powder off my face. I know there are other ways to make your makeup last under a mask, but for me this is the easiest and the quickest. The last step will be I'm going to do another spritz. I know it seems repetitive, but I can promise you guys this is going to make the biggest difference. Take a lip balm and apply it on my lips. And pat off the excess because there's a lot. Now take the powder again and set the lip balm. Now any lip color works great, but I suggest you to take a nude lip color because if a nude smears on your face, then it's not as bad as a red smear. So now we will take a lip liner and outline. Also fill in. Now that we have our lip liner on, we will take a matte lipstick. Should be on a drying side, which will make it last way longer. Don't worry, you will not feel dry because we do have a good amount of layering. And so that's it for my recommendations. I know we did a lot of layering, but that is what gonna make our makeup last with a mask on. I'm really glad we baked our nose because nose is that part which is gonna come off the most. I definitely need to show you guys this. I'll be wearing a face mask while still I talk to you guys. Here I am wearing a face mask while still I am talking, and my nose will still be the same and the product will still be there and not on the mask. As you can see, the mask is still clean. It has no product on. At the end of the day, you are putting a fabric or a cloth on your face, and constant friction, constant rubbing and heat will take off your makeup no matter what. It will take off regardless. It's just gonna happen. I'm so sorry. But these methods will keep it on a little bit longer. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.